Folks, we have here one of the rarest 66 GTOs in existence. This car has about as many options as I have ever seen on any muscle car. And it's Pontiac Historical documented. Boy, this thing is a tri-power, air-conditioned, 4-speed. That in itself, in a red and white convertible, is a big deal. Rally 1 wheels, redline tires, remote mirror, power windows, power seat, power antenna, AM, FM, console, tilt wheel, deluxe wheel, rally gauges, the lamp group, exhaust tips, the safety track rear end, power steering, power brakes. The list just goes on and on and on. Seat belts, hazard lights, floor mats, just all sorts of options this car has. And it is Pontiac documented. Body off frame restored. One owner from 1988 up until a couple of years ago. I acquired it from a customer, a collector from Tennessee. Has a very impressive collection of muscle cars, especially Pontiacs and GTOs. He has some record-setting Ram Air 4s under his belt. This is a very significant car. Don't compare this to just another GTO. This one is special. There isn't another one of these. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information. Take your time and look at about 100 pictures top to bottom. That is where you'll find the price tag along with the monthly finance option. Our banks will finance with 10% down. They'll go 12, 13 years on most cars. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, so body was off the frame, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 years ago, but it still looks really nice. All the suspension and steering was rebuilt. You can see the ball joints, bushings, all of it redone. Does have factory style boxed rear control arms. Nice dual exhaust system. They did put some stainless steel mufflers on there, but it does have the optional factory, they call it exhaust extensions. They're stainless steel exhaust tips. The fuel system was replaced. The brake system was all redone. So all the brake lines, hoses, fuel lines, e-brake cables, that's all been replaced. You look up at the motor, nice, clean. The starter, the fuel pump, all that's nice and clean. It has the Muncie 4-speed transmission in there. An optional safety track. That's Pontiac's version of the Posse with 323 gears. The floors in the car are restored, so all nice clean metal under there. The frame is painted like a gloss black. The floors have a real thin undercoat on them. So the whole underside of this car was taken apart, restored. It all looks factory. There's no aftermarket equipment except for the stainless mufflers. Now let's check out the body. The body is absolutely phenomenal. Everything's lining up real nice. The scoop is real nice. This is absolutely straight. The gaps are spot on. Yeah, this is precise. Absolutely square, flush, absolutely straight. I don't see any waves, dimples, door dents. Smooth, all clean metal. Smooth all along the bottom. No rust, no damage, no funny body work showing. Now, while we're waiting for it to come around, power antenna works. That's an option. The metal door edge guards are an option. Of course, the Rally 1 wheels has reproduction, wide oval redline tires. All this looks brand new. Repainted its original color, Regimental Red, I think it was. Now, if you look close, the paint is old. I think it might be a lacquer paint job. Little tiny like speckles in the paint. Out in the sun, you do not see it. In here, if you're looking real hard, you'll see some imperfections. The body on this side, just as nice as the other side. Absolutely straight and clean. The paint is smooth and glossy. If you look for some imperfections, you'll find some. If you're not looking, you won't even see it. Painted on pinstripe. Optional remote mirror. It looks like it's new or restored. The vent window frame sparkling like new. The trim up on top here looks like it's been straightened and polished. Door handles replaced. Emblems are sparkling. The moldings down there, wheel well moldings, all that's either been replaced or restored. Windshield, crystal clear, looks like new. The wiper arms are shiny. The headlight bezels look original. They're very nice, but you say have enough patina where they're not new. Correct T3 headlights. The grills are in real nice shape. The bumper is sparkling. The arrowhead looks new. Yeah, the paint's actually really nice on the car. It's slick and it's shiny. So that's the outside of the car. Let's open it up, give you a tour of the inside. All right, let's look inside the trunk. So we got the trunk light option, all painted real nice. They replaced the sticker. The jamb is nice, new weather strip. I believe it's the original quarter panels, got the original part number, and I did feel up in there. I didn't feel any cuts or splices. The entire trunk floor, all nice and clean, very neatly spatter painted. Has the correct two-piece mat. This spare tire cover is another option. There is a spare under there. The jack is painted up. The well liner looks new. We did put a new power top motor in the car, part of our service that we did to it. Door jambs are nice and clean. Weather strips fit real nice. Sill plates, all that looks really good in the door jambs. Nice clean white door panels, new armrest. You can see the power window switches and the remote mirror joystick. So starting over here, we have the hazard lights. That flashes. I have the key on because I just had it working. You have all the rally gauges, tachometer, power top, power antenna, air conditioning, AM, FM radio, padded dash, all real nice, all nice and clean. Light works in the glove box. Kick panels are mint, has reproduction mats, real nice carpet. Look how nice this console is here, beautiful shape. It did originally come with the walnut shifter knob, so that's on the paperwork but not on the car. Deluxe steering wheel is like new on a tilt wheel. The seats are beautiful, nice clean white. This is a power seat. Now I was going through trying everything. It does work. It makes a little noise and it's a little slow, but everything seemed to be working. Has headrest, that's an option. Has deluxe seat belts front and back. Now the seat on this side reclines. There's a lever and it pulls a cable. I didn't get it to recline, but I wasn't going to force it either. The top frame all restored, new rubber. It's a nice white top. See pictures of that on our website. Rally 1 wheels. So this is a correct motor. It's a WS code. That's a 360 horsepower tri-power. It's dated 1965 is the block. So all this looks proper. The valve covers, the carburetors, factory air. We charged the air. It's all complete. Should be working. Look how nice and clean and tidy everything is. Has an underhood lamp. That's an option. All smooth finishes, the rubber seal, the cap, the shroud, everything is proper. The clamps is a Delco battery topper with spring clamp cables, optional power steering, power brakes. The tag is there, says it was born a red car. I'm going to call this a show quality motor compartment. Squirters are hooked up. Really hear them carbs open up. I was playing around with the accessories, the radio, the antenna, the gauges, even the power seat, the flashing hazard lights. All of that works. Now with that said, the power seat's a little slow and the radio is what it is, one little speaker, but stuff is working. So part of the value from buying from us, each car gets a double inspection. When it comes in, the lead mechanic drives it, puts it on a lift, tries things out, and we repaired the car. This one got a new brake booster. We repaired the wipers, the reverse lights. We charged the air, new top motor. Now when the car leaves, when someone buys it, we run it through the shop a second time just to make sure everything's still good, that you get a nice, good driving car. Now, this car in particular, like I said earlier, there's not another one out there. You want to put a 4-speed in or you want vintage air, that's all great. If you're a collector and you want the rarest, probably the highest option GTO built in 1966, I think we're looking at it. And the fact it's a red and white convertible on top of it, this is an amazing find right here. Go to volocars.com, salesmen can help you. They'll help get it delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one is posted. Thanks for watching.